Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga bagong post ni Barbie Fortesa. Sabi niya, sa Gangnam District of South Korea, what a great place Gangnam District is for book and fashion lovers. I just went there to take nice photos though. Haha! All of the books from the library were in Korean and I already spent too much on food and cab rides to shop. Ayan na, napaka-pretty si Barbie. Grabe, ang ganda niya dito na napaka-picture perfect. Ay, ito tito, oh, grabe. Pang Mila vibes ng that kind of love. O, di ba? Grabe, ang ganda niya. Ayan. O, di ba? Pang endless love to. I so love it. Ayan nga, pinost ni Genre. Si Genre pa rin ang style. At yan na nga, nakatag nga yung photographer ni Barbie na si Sky Film BD at yan nga pinafollow siya ni Tita Amy at saka ni Barbie Fortesa. Ito na nga yung picture niya, napaka-pugi din siya, no? In all fairness naman sa kanya. At ito actually yung video niya nung pinipicturean niya si Barbie Fortesa. Ayan. At napakatnakad niya pala, parang 6-footer din. O, diba? Ayan si Miss Barbie Fortesa. At yan, sabi nga ni Wayo ni Piolia, Koreana ang peg, pak ang ganda mo, Barbie Fortesa. At TikTok post ni Lucky with the prettiest girl, nice seeing you around, Miss Barbie Fortesa, pak, super bait and pretty in person, with exclamation point. And more pictures of Barbie with Lucky, at ang dami niyang pinamili, grabe. Puro mga pasalubong ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. At next naman ay another picture of Barbie. Grabe pang K-drama vibes to, no? Ang lit niya. At ito naman ay post ni Joshua Medina. Sabi, Versusan with Miss Barbie Fortesa. At nag-reply nga si Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang IG story na, sabi ko naman sa iyo, walang laban. Panalo ka na agad, dear. At nirepost nga ni Barbie yung mga Metro Manila na sine kung saan naka-showing ang mananambal ni Miss Bianca Umali. At next ay pinost ni Ken Z sa kanyang Instagram story yung billboard ni David Licauco sa EDSA Guadalupe ay na nga si Catherine at saka si Miss Lobby po nakasama niya. At naghahanap nga si Sir Nathan ng malinaw kanina kaya lang wala sila makita. Naghahanap ng malinaw na picture. Pero ito na yung pinakamalinaw, guys. At ito na nga post ng Bench. Don't miss your chance to witness the highly anticipated comeback of the iconic Bench show. Here's how you could get your tickets. March 21, 2025 at the SM Mall of Asia Arena. Grabe, ang cute talaga ni David, no? Parang hindi tumatanda. At grabe, chance nyo na nga ito makita nakatopless si David sa Bench. Ayan. Ayan, napaka-cute niya talaga. At grabe yung chest and biceps. Ayan na nga. At ang abs, 6-pack abs. At ang cute niya dito po, diba? Grabe. Ay, sana makita ko rin to pag nakaluwag-luwag ako. Ayan na nga post ni Sir Nathan. At ito naman post ng Simple PH. Lodi talaga si Pambansang Ginoo Simple Pips. Hindi lang pang acting, pang business din. Samahan natin si David Licauco habang nililibot ang Sobra Cafe. Sarap at vibe, sobra-sobra. Let's watch this.
Sobra Cafe po. Joke lang. Ano yun? Sobra Cafe started during the pandemic. Became our first branch in Molito. And then ito na yung second branch. We serve all-day dining, comfort food. Yung interiors namin talagang just feels like your home. So yun talaga yung vision namin. And of course, good food. Best seller namin is beef tapa. Nung pandemic, I remember, I was on Instagram just checking. Tapos may nakita akong picture ng beef tapa. So nirelay ko sa chef namin, si Mike Victorioso. And then from there, doon na namin simulan. Lahat naman ng food, like, just being creative, I guess. Kahit may makita ka sa ibang restaurant, check mo, ano kaya to? Baka pwede kong gawin, baka pwede kong ma-improve on. And also just knowing what the market wants din talaga. I think what you see now is just the tip of the iceberg. The work behind this. Yun, talaga non-stop learning lang. Maraming problema, pero kailangan mong mag-isolve yun. Diba? Ganun naman yung life. Diba? Same as having a restaurant. My vision for Sobra Cafe is to be all over the Philippines. But of course, it has to be strategic. But I think Sobra is ready. I just have to work on this. Maraming birth pains, maraming problema, but we're figuring it out. And hopefully, it goes well. Hey, Simple Peeps! please visit Sobra Cafe. You won't regret it. And also visit Puyo Korea. We're in SM Manila, SM Clark, Araneta Center. Also, Sobra Cafe in Molito, Alabang.
Ayun na nga, nakapak-cute na si David. At ito nga ay shoot niya yata nung February 13, if I'm not mistaken. At ito na nga yung lumang TikTok video compilation ko ng mga billboards ni David Licauco through the years, kung saan siya ay nag-comment kanina 4 hours ago. And it is dated February 15, 2023. Uy, wow, 2 years na pala to. At ito nga yung comment ni David, tatlong halakhak lang. Grabe.
David Licauco billboards over the years.
Ayun na nga. So, alam ko Edsa Guadalupe din yun. Ito hindi ko alam, guys. Pero ayan o, Open Paradise. Tapos ayan yung Under the Stars ni David dati. Nag-grip siya. At ito naman yung sa bench. Parang pomade yata, whatever. Ayan naman, nagbabin din si David Licauco, guys. At ito naman ay post ng Netflix at Twitter. Ayan, congratulations to our Barda. Miss na namin kayo. Hashtag Barda TV Royalty, actor, actress. Work for Tessa, David Licauco. At yan nga, congratulations to us. At yan nga, naiyak si David dito sa scene na to. At nag-trending nga sila kaninang 4 hours ago daw. Hashtag Barda Your Royalty, TV, actor, and actress. At naging number 6 nga to sa Twitter Philippines. At nasa picture ni David Licauco sa baby shower ng kanyang pinsan. Ayun na nga si David, na simpleng-simple lang yung suot. Ayan na oversized na polo lang. At ito naman, ang post David Licauco sa Instagram, na siya namang nilike ni Tito Tony. Ay wow. Lumang post ni David, pero nilike ni Tito Tony. At next naman, ay picture ni Miss Tony Aviles, kung saan kasama niya si Sir Nathan. At ito naman, post ni My Precious One, pang Guinness World rin pala si Uncle, sabi niya. Ayan, Guinness World Book of Records certificate the passage to speed and from a girl asking him, tayo na lang kaya, with 0.18 seconds, and was achieved by David Licauco, Philippines, at Tagaytay City on February 19, 2025. Officially amazing. Sira ulo.
Tayo na lang kaya.
Sige.
At next nga ay bago lang to, guys, post ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. Another thing about me is that I am huge movie lover. I appreciate straightforward storylines with acting depth and sense of realism. As an actress, it is both a form of learning and pleasure watching films. Tonight's movies of choice, Mananambal, The Room Next Door. Woman-centric films that I admire. I had such a wonderful time and I forgot about dinner. Time to get me some drive-thru. Ayun na nga, at solo era nga, nanood si Miss Barbie Fortesa. At tingnan nyo naman yung mga kamay, walang kalinya-linya. Mabalambot yung mga kamay ni Barbie. At ang ganda niya dito, long-legged. And Barbie Fortesa in her khaki jacket and pants and hat. Ako, diba? Khaki lahat. At nanood nga si Barbie Fortesa sa may UP Town Center na malapit sa kanyang condo. Hindi na siya Makati. At next naman ang Instagram story ni Tita Eden. Ayun na, nandun sila sa grounds of Alexandria. At next kasama niya nga si James Licauco sa Whale Bridge. At ito nga ay sa grounds of Alexandria din. At ito naman post ni Jean Licauco. Ay wow, parang barbecue pork ribs. At ito naman post ni Ilan. Yan, cutie patuti. Ayan na nga. Meron ng tit si Jimin. At next is the very cute Miss Barbie Fortesa on her Twin Hearts days. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you next vlog. Bye!